Let's talk about how to start your online AI business that can do 20K a month as a complete beginner or a newbie to tech space. This is one of the most genuine videos I'm gonna ever make. If you're new to this channel, my name is Fran and I'm doing a lot of stuff online. I've been in the online industry for years right now. You can check all my YouTube videos. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm completely on the verge of something different. And if you're looking for the opportunity to basically build an online business, this is the video to be. This is, as I said, the most genuine video I'm gonna make. I'm gonna show you everything I'm doing right now, the way I'm making all the big bucks that you can see. And the reason why you should sit here and listen to me is because I made hundreds of thousands of dollars running online businesses. I was running a successful marketing agency. I traveled the world. I could drive cool cars. Like, you can go check my Instagram so you can get a little bit more of reinforcement why you should stick through this video and watch everything. This is raw type of videos. I'm not editing anything. I'm just sharing my opinion, my experience, and the reason why I'm able to share all of this is because I'm not creating competition for myself, basically, besides all the other gurus that are telling you to do X, Y, Z, and they're just selling a bunch of courses. So let's cut all the BS, let's dive deep into everything. I have everything on the screen. We're gonna go basically step by step how to do that. So you're looking to start like a no-code SaaS business. So you're new to this, you maybe run on some couple of YouTube videos, or you're a startup or a founder that has some money to invest and wants to start a no-code SaaS because it's faster to build, it has the same quality, and at the end of the day, it's more affordable. So let's dive deep into my journey. I'm going to show you everything based on the examples, and you can see how you can implement this for yourself. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go on the platform that's called Bubble. Right here I have it open on my account. You're just gonna go in there and you're just gonna create your account. Bubble is a no-code tool platform. If you're into no-code space, you probably know about Bubble. It's the best platform where you can build web apps, SaaSes, and all of that stuff. It's not something that's really compliant with mobile apps, but that's another animal and another story. So you're gonna create your Bubble account and you're gonna start building apps here. So when it comes down to start building apps here, Bubble is really intuitive. It takes you maybe a month to figure it out. I'm coming from a completely non-technical background. So yes, I made a lot of money throughout my life, but I have zero knowledge about coding. I haven't written a single line of code ever in my life, so this was a completely new to me, but it took me a month to understand it. And if I go, for example, if one of the apps that we are building right now called Trackful, you'll see a little bit around it. It looks a little bit similar to Webflow, it looks a little bit similar to web page builders, but you have your own database, you have functions, you have API integrations. You can literally build whatever the fuck you want. So this is basically where you do all your design. Basically you can check the left sidebars, you can basically check content, you have your old pages, side menu. So you can already see that it looks like a web app. So for example, you're probably using some analytics tools and stuff like that. It actually contains all the features to build something like that. It's freaking amazing. When I stumbled across Bubble, it actually made me to start putting more focus in tech, putting more focus in no-code development, and that's probably the reason why you are here as well. So if you're thinking what type of platform you should use to build your no-code SaaS, Bubble is a way to go. So here is the designer. You can design stuff around. It's all based on the conditionals. It's pulling the data from the database. You're displaying it here as a dynamic data, and then it's showing the stuff that you actually want to show. This is a social media type of SaaS that I'm currently building, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this SaaS moving forward in this video. So this is a designer. Then you have your workflows where you're building your workflows. There is going to be a whole another video about it. And then if you go, you have your own database. And when I click on the database, I'm going to show you how this SaaS actually looks like. I'm going to go on users. I'm going to go run my own account, and it's going to open right here. So you can see what we built with this one. This is still under the maintenance. We're still working on it. We're still building it, but you can get a glimpse of what's going on. So it's going to basically show you followers, viewers, revenue, how much money you're making with TikTok. It's going to show you your latest posts. Those are some of my latest posts. I told you I'm driving cool cars, so you can also see it here on TikTok. But yeah, basically you can plan your content. It creates a freaking SaaS. It's a SaaS. It's not coded. It's like we built it as a completely coming from a non-technical background. So you have a complete SaaS here. So you have your analytics and integrations, API calls, yada, yada, yada. I can talk about it for days, but it's not something that you're interested in. So you see now the opportunity. What we are doing, if we go back on FigJam, stay with me, is we build stuff in Bubble. So once we build stuff in Bubble, we build an app in Bubble, then we build also the front end in Webflow. So you see here also, this is the front end of the Trackful. We're building the front end, so you have a nice looking front end. If we basically go and check it out on the, let me just show you how it looks, the front end. So it's fully functional SaaS. It has its own front end, meaning the landing page. That's basically giving you the option to purchase and to try your free trial. It's showing you all the cool and amazing stuff. Keep in mind, this is all what I built, what we built. And if you get on 14 days free trial, it's going to show you the options to buy. So you're building your own SaaS product and you don't have to babysit any clients. The reason I transferred in a no-code SaaS industry is because I'm coming from a marketing background and I was running a marketing agency for years. And I got sick and tired of clients meetings, going here, going there. Like it was tiring. And what I only wanted to do is I wanted to build cool stuff online. And this is how I got here. I wanted to build cool stuff online, as I'm doing right now, and I want to sell it for big bucks. Because let's be really honest, SaaS, startups, technology, this is all where the big money is. Not in drop shipping, Amazon FBA and stuff like that. If you think that you can make millions there, that you're definitely living in a wrong era. You want to make millions with startups. You want to basically make millions with working with investors. That's exactly what we are doing here. So once you build your app, there is another thing that you're going to go. And step number 2 is, this is optional, but I'm gonna just show it here. So I'm not just building those SaaSes and apps for myself. I'm building those SaaSes and apps for other people because I have a large network of individuals, business owners, and startups that once they see what we are doing with this whole space, they say, "Hey, Fran, would you build a SaaS for me? Hey, Fran, how can we work that you build us a SaaS and then we can after all sell it, or we can find investors and we can actually like make big money?" Because if you just want to check one thing that I want to show you, some of the SaaSes that we built, let me just show you here. So some of the latest SaaSes that we built are not that expensive. For example, we built SaaS for $4,500. Then we built one for $12,000, but this one was complex. Then we built one for $2,000, $7,900. You can build SaaSes pretty cheap. And if you're, for example, working with us and you come to me and say, "Hey, Fran, I actually have an amazing SaaS idea that I want to build. Would you be open to partner up with us and build it out with us?" Then we're going to figure out how we can build it at the most affordable friction of a price cost, figure it out how we can basically launch it, help you scale it, and then we're gonna sell it, because that's our next step. So if you're looking into something like this, I always leave a link in the description where you can book a call directly with me, and then we can grab a chat what type of a SaaS app you wanna build and how we can partner up to build your SaaS and also to sell it for big bucks and understand how we can basically wiggle the profits around. But that's not the main topic of the video. Let's go back to the FigJam. So it says, you first build the app, then optional step is if you basically want someone to build it out for you and you want someone to plan out things for you, you can always come down to me and ask questions, book a call with me and grab a genuine chat how we can do it for you. The next thing is to go on acquire.com. I'm logged in on my acquire.com profile right now, and I'm here selling one SaaS here right now. So if you basically give me a second to log in, I'm gonna show you right away. Okay, here we are inside of my acquire.com inbox. All the people that you can see here are people that are interested to buy our SaaS products. So we build a SaaS, then we go on acquire.com, and currently on acquire.com we have more than $200,000 worth of SaaS products and SaaSes being sold. And all the people that you can see here are interested to buy them. It's crazy, it's insane. I don't have to go through client meetings. I don't have to go search for leads. I don't have to go search for this guy to buy out from me something. And you know what's the best part? All the people that are interested to buy your SaaS are people that are in the game for a long period of time. They have money, and they have, most importantly, because I have money, I made hundreds of thousands of dollars. I need connections, and those people have connections to people that are even higher higher ranked on the pyramid. And that's what you want. Once you basically understand that life is not just by chasing a nickel, it's building cool stuff online and then partnering up with cool people and basically jumping in a cool network, then you get this stuff around. And then you can expect basically, if we go back here on the Fig Gem, making $17,000 to even $30,000 every single freaking month from doing the same exact thing. You can build as much SaaS as you want, as much ideas, and the more ideas that you build and the more creative you're gonna become. When you become more creative, the more problems you're gonna find in different industries. The more problems you're gonna find, your creativity is gonna help you to actually understand how to fix it creatively. The opportunity is just wilding right now. And if you're looking and watching this video, you need to basically just follow everything as I shown you right now. You need to build your own app, or you can find a company like ours that's gonna partner up with you to build your own app, help you out to list it on acquire.com, and then you can sell it or you can scale it to a certain point, because you can sell your company and your SaaS product at 10 to 20x multiplier, meaning if we get you to $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue, you can sell that thing for $200,000. Not only that you're gonna meet a person that's gonna buy out something from you for $200,000, but you're also gonna gain a connection having a person in your network that's such a big investor that can buy out stuff like that. And if you're basically right now came this far in a video, you have like this is just a confirmation for you that you should stop basically chasing shiny object syndrome, because what you are seeing right now on the screen is basically going back 10 years behind. You're basically going back, trying to build tools, you're trying to build softwares. Only thing that you're going to be using is you're going to be using AI to basically back them up. If you go on Softify, we built numerous AI stuff. Story is one of the best ones we built. It basically works as a child book. It creates stories for children. The market is huge. Parents are buying it every single freaking day, and you can literally create it with Bubble and integrating one API, that's ChatGPT's OpenAI API, to create a product that's currently on a market for $200,000 without you trying to figure out what's the best-selling product, without you trying to figure out how to find leads for your marketing agency. Only thing you need to be free and to genuinely experience and tap into the higher level of wealth is to go on Bubble, start figuring out Bubble, start building apps on Bubble, or go to us and have a chat with us to see how we can basically start helping you out to build basically SaaSes like this for prices like that, and then you going on acquire.com and selling them for 3 or 4 times more. Or if you have people in your own network that can basically help them build out, that not just to build them out, but help you to actually give you an understanding, that would be awesome as well. So that's the goal, that's the path. That's how you can basically start a 20K a month no-code SaaS business as a complete beginner in a tech space, as a non-technical founder, or as someone that has money to like either invest and build it out with a company like ours, or someone that wants to start and basically go back to school and start figuring things out in Bubble on your own. The possibilities are endless and the opportunity is huge. And if you like this type of content, press like and subscribe, and always ask anything that you have in mind in a comment section, because I'm always going to be answering all the comments, or check the other videos I have here on my channel, because they're going to blow your mind. I want to be as genuine as possible. I dropped all the knowledge. I dropped you the thing that I'm doing that you can basically replicate for yourself, or you can reach out to us and grab a meeting with me and discuss those things more further. But don't sleep on this, because I'm gonna be chilling on Bali and you're gonna probably still try to figure out what's the best selling product for e-commerce.